Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Shelby GT500, a Mustang Shelby GT500. This one is by Hotwheels, as you can see, and it's part of their Star and Stripe series. And these are few of the series which Hot Wheels launched recently, like Vintage Racing and few other neons, which slot between the mainline cars and the premium cars. So they have some details which are better than the mainline cars, but again, then a few things which you will only find in the premium ones, but then it misses out on some things which are only like the rubber tires and the metal base, all that stuff that you find on the premiums. But it will have some details like detailed headlamp, detailed tail lamp, like the premium ones. So, and it's also priced the same way in between the mainline and the premium. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here it is, the Shelby GT500 out of its packaging. The first thing I will say, I do like the paint job. Looks really good. Takes inspiration from the American flag rather than the blue and the stars, but slightly different. Doesn't copy the flag completely. Let's start from the front. Up front, you got detailed headlamps. You got the turn indicators, TRL, fog lamps, everything there. You've also got the bigger grille of the Shelby GT and a front spoiler, some other aero elements there, and obviously it's a wider car. You can see here it's wider than the headlamps. Looks good. Also, it's got a different hood. Normal V8s don't have like this open vent on the top, I would say, so that's different. You can see it has got both the mirrors on the side. Looks really good, I would say. If you look closely, you can see the hood latch points here, the silver ones. So again, good detail there. And I said I like the paint job. It looks good. You can especially see from this angle. Now, coming to the driver side, I like the wheels. They are different from the main line. They look good. They're still plastic, not rubber, the tires, but they look good. They look better than the main line. Also, you got the Shelby badge, GT500 badge, the Ford badge. Again, bigger Shelby. Again, the paint scheme or the theme continues. Looks really good. Coming to the back, I like this. The tail lamp is detailed. You got the snake here. You got a big spoiler compared to a smaller one you get. Also, these look like, I don't know if it's a turn indicator or markers, but they are also detailed. And at the bottom, you can see the quad exhaust. So good details at the back too. Looks really good. Passenger side, almost identical. And this is how it looks from the top. I think it has the rear seat removed. I'm not pretty sure, but the interior doesn't show a rear seat here. Or it might have one which I'm missing. But again, yeah, it's a nice looking casting. I like this. But you can have all the details of a premium. And if you like swapping wheels, swap the wheels and it will look even better than this. So, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.